Hey guys, you are watching Twinsy Study.
What is the power of compound interest? If you have ever heard about it, then suggesting you to act it very fast on that. In this video, we are going to explain you the difference between the public provision fund versus the traditional policies. So guys, PPF lasts long for 15 years, that can be extended to 20 years with no life cover, but on the other hand, the traditional policies can be up to 34 years with some life covers. So guys, here I am doing some calculation to show the power of PPF. So current PPF interest rate is going on at 7.1% with effective from 1st April 2021. Guys, I hope you are aware of Microsoft Excel. So I opened the Excel sheet and doing some calculations. I'm taking 34 year of calculation, assuming you are at 41 year old. Take a look at this policy for 15 lakh of sum assured and 1 lakh 46,985 is of premium. So policy assuring 47,625 rupees to be cash paid out to the customer till 34 years with benefit 23 lakh. So guys, in order to explain you, I have make the headers year, amount to invest, rate of interest, interest earned, interest with principal and cash payout by the policy company. But inside that I have to add the amount for the next session, what will be the next session after you earn the interest, and that will be clubbed with the principal. So here guys, I have made a simple calculation. As I have shown you, our premium become 146,985 and I am assuming the interest rate at 7.1, for which for 1 year you are earning the interest of 10,045 rupees something, and with a total at the end of the year you are getting 157 for 20 rupees on 146,985. So I will copy this 146,985 to further 33 years, I mean for 12 years, because I'm going to pay the policy company or to the PPF with the same amount every year. Here I am highlighting these year, I mean 12 years with the red color. So friends, after earning the interest of 10,455 rupees for the first year, I am adding the 146,985 to the main interest earned principal, which is the compound amount for next session, as you can see. And I am going to copy this for all 12 years. Just copy this. Here same entries are coming of 146,985 because we do not have anything in the interest with principal. I have also copied the rate of interest for all 12 years. For earning the interest, we have the Excel formula. We are going to multiply C5 column to D5 and will divide by 100, which will generate our interest for that particular income. And I am going to copy this for all 12 years. We have to update the formula for interest with principal also. What we have to do is that we have to sum up the compound amount for next session with interest earned, and we will copy the same formula for the next 12 years, which will result us 31.91 lakh after 12 years of deposit, the amount 146,985. So friends, in other words, for 12 year of deposit in PPF will yield 31.91 lakh, and if you are talk about the policies which are the cash paying us every year for 47,625 rupees, the company policies will giving us 66 lakh 19,125 rupees for 12 years of deposit after earning 31.9 lakh from us. So policy company here will stop taking payment yearly installment from you, but will invest the 31 0.91 lakh in some government bonds, either spent in PPF or some mutual funds. So here to explain further more about PPF, let me to copy all formulas till 34 years. Here I have copied all the formulas till 34 years. So think about till 34 years you paid in PPF about 49,97,490 rupees and you are earning approximately 2.5 crore rupees. But normally this never happen because the PPF is allowing only to invest till 20 years with a term of 15 years. So if you see, I can change the interest rate at 6.5. How the total amount get varied? I have made 6.2 in row 23 and I have applied interest rate of 8.1 in row 18. So that's give me a result with compound interest as to 2.38 crore rupees. So as I have stated earlier that interest rate can be a floating that can be set by the government, so that is not fixed, but 7.1 is the interest rate set by Indian government from with effective from 1st April 2021. So guys, as per Excel, 35 year in PPF field 2.42 crore with a deposit of 52.9 lakh, but PPF has a maximum 20 year of term. So guys, think about two PPF account for 17 year instead 20 year each. Make a deposit of 1.5 lakh or 146,985 in each, approximate 60 lakh. Then your deposit yield more than 1.5 crore. But for 20 years, not for 34 years. So summarizing the PPF, in 15 years you are depositing 146,985 and approximate 22 lakh in PPF for 15 years. Look at the row 20 and you are yielding 44.66 lakh. And for 12 years it stated 31.91 lakh earlier. So here we are going to calculate how much you have to deposit for 20 years in PPF and how much you are yielding. So I have highlighted these 2021 to 2041 years row as red color, and look at the 20 in 20 years you have to pay 29.39 lakh and you are yielding 72 lakh approximate rupees, which I have make it bigger. And for this is 44.67 will be your 15 year of interest amount. So after 15 years you can extend 5 more years in PPF.
So you can do these calculation at your own, and if you are blessed with a baby, or if you are start doing investment for your kids, then think about it. So guys, where to invest, in PPF or in traditional policies? Let me to show you again the policy that I have explained earlier. We have a 15 lakh of sum assured policies with 146,985 of premium, and 47,625 rupees will be paid out till 34 years with a maturity amount of 23 lakh. So here what I am going to do is that after 12 year I'm stop paying payment to the PPF or the company, because it's a 12 year of policies. We have to pay the premium till 12 years.
So guys, if I scroll down to this Excel sheet, I can found that company is earning 1.56 crore rupees from our investment. How is that? In 34 years of policy, for 12 year of premium paying term, you have paid 17.63 lakh to the company, and in return for their commitment of cash payout for 47,625 rupees, you have already taken 17 lakh 14,000 rupees from the company, but you are having a sum assured for 15 lakh. So along with maturity amount 23 lakh, you are going to get 38 to 40 lakh rupees approximate from the policy company, but the policy companies have earned 1.56 crore rupees from your investment. So how the company is earning? The company is going to invest your premium paid to the mutual funds, some government bonds, and PPF, and some ULIPs, etc.
So guys, here I am summarizing again. If you go with 12 year of PPF, you are earning 31.91 lakh, and if you're going for 15 year of PPF with deposit of 29 lakh, you are earning 39.56 lakh if you are not depositing anything after 12 year, but only a minimum amount of 500. So guys, PPF offer no cover, but you can have a life cover for your policies. So guys, never think about to closing the PPF account after 15 years, but instead you can go for extension of 5 years, because in that period you will get the maximum amount of interest. So guys, think about it. Decision is up to you. It's your money. Where to invest, in PPF or in some traditional policies? So after 20 years of savings, if you suggest these saving for your kids and grandkids, then definitely for your generation, no problem for money is going to be happen. Thanks for watching our video. Thank you so much.